In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Netlify deployment. If you need to clean up your deploy history in Netlify, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find the deployment you want to remove and delete it safely from your site's deploy list. To begin, log in to your Netlify dashboard. This is your main control panel where you can access all of the sites connected to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your available projects and sites. From there, select the specific site you want to manage. This is important because deployment history is tied to each individual site. Make sure you open the correct one before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're inside the site dashboard, go to the Deploys tab at the top of the page. This section contains the full deploy history for that site, including successful, failed, and canceled deploys. It's the area you'll use to review and remove deployments. Next, locate the specific deployment you want to delete from the deploy history list. Take a moment here to verify that you've selected the right deploy. You may want to check the timestamp, status, or any other visible details so you don't remove the wrong one by accident. If the deployment was successful, look for the options menu on the right side of that deploy card. Open that menu and then click Delete Deploy. Netlify places the delete action there for successful deploys, so if you don't see it immediately, make sure you're checking the menu on the correct deploy entry. If the deployment failed or was canceled, the layout is a little different. In that case, you can click Delete Deploy directly on the deploy summary card without opening the options menu first. This makes it quick to remove incomplete or unsuccessful deploys from your history. After choosing Delete Deploy, Netlify will ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm the deletion when prompted. This final confirmation helps prevent accidental removals, so it's a good moment to pause and make sure you're deleting the intended deployment. And that's it. Once confirmed, the deployment will be removed from your site's deploy history. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double check the deploy status and details before deleting, especially on active projects. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to delete a Netlify deployment.